that video.
Wait a second. Why is it just outside?
It came. Look at that.
Action. Amazing. Okay, let's talk about this. Amazing keyboard. This is classic keyboard with 3 additional keys. Okay, let's talk about this thing. Let's open it up. Here's the thing. Okay, keep trying. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. The cable. It has these big ones here. You put it right there, and it connects to the PS2 port. This is called, yes. There it is. It's packaging. Oh yeah. Okay, here it is all hooked up. Keys work. Pretty good. There's the num-lock key. Caps lock. Scroll lock. All work. Keys feel very nice. Here it is. Here's the very nice text I did. It works very well. See what it is. Nice period there. Nice. Man was walking to the store. Oops. Store. See? Works pretty good. Yeah, look at that type motion. Works pretty good. Hope you liked the video. Sorry I was so late for my video. I was
Ring.
for a second. It was pretty fun making a video, but here's some more extra stuff you might like. Oh. Hello? Yes. You want that, don't you?
This is the FBI talking. Caleb, we know where you are.
What's this?